Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants. I'm here with the lovely Love. And lovely Love is here, and she is here for a hair transplant. But I wanted her to talk about her hair loss. Love, when did you start noticing your hair was going away?
Well, I used to wear a lot of braids and a lot of wigs, and then I noticed that my hairline started going back, and I started losing all my hair. I tried every product. Trust me, I did spend a lot of money.
Yes.
And it hasn't been working. We were supposed to see each other a year before, and then the pandemic happened, and then yada, 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 yada. And then here I am now, and I'm finally happy.
And you're very excited, obviously. And tell us how you arrived here. Obviously, you know, you don't live here, so you came here. Tell us how you arrived here.
Well, I live in Canada and New Jersey, but my sister is the first one you met who came here. She came twice for her front and for her back of her head. She was very happy and very satisfied with what happened. So when I saw her result, I'm like, well, you're the guy to go to. So I only came and I brought my brother with me today. So you're having both of us.
It's a family affair.
Yes. It sure is.
Very excited. I'm going to pan up here, Love, to show everyone your hair and your edges. So these are edges that, you know, have gone away with years of traction alopecia, meaning braids, tight hairstyles. Exactly. You can see, though, how great her hair is everywhere else. It's like very thick and coarse, and that's exactly what we want and we look for. Also here, she's lost her entire edge here, so we're going to draw out her hairline, and I am very excited. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Because everybody came to you. I've been watching your YouTube videos a lot. I received them on my email also, so not nervous at all. I know I'm in good hands.
Thank you for sharing your story. I know you're going to do your own blog as well, but this is really helpful. I guarantee you someone will look at this video and it will help them in their journey.
Come. So definitely should come. 100% should come.
Awesome. All right, Love, we'll be checking in throughout the day, okay?
Thank you.
You got it. Okay, Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. We're here with the lovely Love again. We're going to show the hairline that we are now going to put on or restore. So she's actually pretty happy about this. It's a very cool curvy hairline. You can see that it even just kind of comes down a little bit of a peak or curve in the front, nice and curvy all the way around. Temporal peak. So I actually love these curvy hairlines. It breaks it up. And you know, what do you think, Love?
I love it. Very satisfied.
Okay. Very. Awesome. So the first line we drew goes all the way back, but this is an area that if we don't have enough hair, we're going to spare, because even now she can get her hair to that line. So if we have extra, we're going back to that point. Again, on this side, same thing. You can see that, you know, most people would say our hair loss ends there, but if we have extra, then we're going to try to go into sort of this corner back through here. So, but she's able to easily hide that, even if we don't get that. But we're hoping it's going to be awesome. It's going to be at least to the first line. That's going to get you back into ponytails. Really excited for you. All right, so you got one Valium, and now we're going to let that set in a little bit and go to the next room. All right. Thanks again, Love.
Thank you.
Dr. Huebner, I am here with Love, and she has just walked out. She just finished her surgery, just walked out of the OR suite. So let me show everyone what it looks like. You can see her new, I guess her old edges. You can see how jam-packed it is. We were able to get all the way back to those corners, the second line that we drew. So her density was spectacular. So it really allowed us to get in there and really focus on the whole area. Love, how do you feel?
I feel amazing. Amazing.
How was the day? I mean, was it painful? Was it...
Just the numbing part, but it's like, getting little stitches. But once that was done, it was a home run.
Good.
So
what did you do the whole time? I mean, it took about 4 to 5 hours.
I was watching a very good movie.
Okay, watching TV.
And I chit-chatted a lot.
That's quite all right. We enjoyed your company. It was really nice. So next time you see her, she's gonna do her own, blogs and whatnot, but we definitely want to follow up with you around the 4-month, 9-month, and a year.
Definitely.
And just watch this grow. I cannot wait to see you wear a ponytail and wear styles that you probably haven't done for a while, grow an afro, whatever you want to do. But you can see, again, the new shape. She has some swelling in her forehead right now, but that's, again, temporary. And that will all go away. We're going to talk about the post-op instructions now, and that's it. Thanks for sharing your story, love, and I can't wait to see your results.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.